I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Half-Life 2 in GMod. First, ensure you own Half-Life 2 on Steam. This is crucial because Garry's mod uses the game's assets directly. Next, install both games through your Steam library. Once installed, launch Garry's mod and navigate to its main menu. We will then proceed to mount the content, which takes just a few clicks. To mount Half-Life 2's content, start Garry's mod and look for the small gamepad icon in the bottom right corner of the main menu. Clicking this icon opens a list of available games. Find Half-Life 2 in this list and ensure its checkbox is ticked. This action integrates all the maps, models, and textures from Half-Life 2 directly into your Garry's mod experience, usually taking less than 1 minute. With the content mounted, you can now access Half-Life 2 maps. From the main menu, choose Start New Game. In the map selection screen, you will see a category for Half-Life 2 maps. Pick any map such as D1 Train Station 01 or D3C1701 to begin your adventure. These maps offer a rich environment for sandbox play, allowing you to spawn props and characters from the game. Once in a game, press the Q key to open your spawn menu. On the left side, you will find categories for Half-Life 2 under Entities and Weapons. Here, you can spawn various characters like Combined Soldiers or Alex Vance, along with numerous props and weapons. This allows for endless creative possibilities, letting you recreate scenes or invent entirely new scenarios within the Half-Life 2 universe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.